boys and girls, welcome. Today Landon and I are going to do a science experiment. So we have been talking about storms and different types of storms, and I mentioned earlier this morning that we were going to make a tornado in a bottle. And I'm going to use this book that's called How to Build a Tornado in a Bottle to help us follow the directions. Now I've already read it, so we're just going to go ahead and do this, this part. Alright, so the things that we're going to need, we need 2 bottles. In the book it uses 2-liter bottles, the big bottles, but we're going to use small bottles because we want Landon to be able to move it, and those are just too big to where he wouldn't be able to hold it. So we have 2 empty water bottles, or just any bottles. We have a cup of water. We have some duct tape. We have a funnel. We have a mixing stirrer, and then we have some food coloring, and we have some glitter. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to take the water, and we are going to put blue food coloring because we want it to be blue. So Landon, you want to go ahead and put, we're going to put maybe about 3 drops. So we're going to count to 3. So squeeze it. 1, 2, 3. Let's do 2 more. Go ahead. 4, 5. Alright, so we put 5 drops of food coloring, and as you can see, the food coloring is starting to mix with the water. Now we want our tornado to look as realistic, as real as it can. So we are gonna put some glitter in it, so that way, because when tornadoes they spin, they have their spin to it. It has all kinds of trash and debris and all that stuff. So what we're gonna do is we are going to put some glitter to represent the debris. So Landon, you want to sprinkle some glitter in there?
Yeah.
Okay. It's open. Just sprinkle it in there. Sprinkle it. Okay, put it in there. Alright, that's good. Good job. Sorry. And now we're going to stir it. So we are stirring it. Now we put the blue food coloring in there so that way you can see it. So you can see that it's not just water. You can actually see it. But then we put the glitter in there to represent the debris that the tornadoes carry. So now that we have that, we are going to take a water bottle. We're going to take a funnel. And then we are going to pour into the bottle.
So, Mom, that's so cool. I wish I had to do it all by myself.
All right. Then we're going to take some tape because we need some tape. Now make sure when you do this that you have help. You have a mom or dad or an adult present, because you don't want to get food coloring all over the floor, and you don't want to get glitter all over the place, and you definitely don't want to make a mess. So if you have a parent helping you, you will have someone that will help you, so that way you don't make a mess. So we're going to put the second water bottle on top, and we're going to make sure to line it up so that way the water does not come out. So we line it up nice and neat, and then we're going to take some duct tape, and we are going to just turn it around, put it all around.
It's not heavy for me to hold it.
No. We're going to make sure that it's nice and tight to where water doesn't come out, and I'm going to take some more just in case, because we don't want to make a mess. We don't want any water or glitter or blue stuff all over our clothes, and we want to make sure that we protect our book, that our book does not get all messy. All right, so now we have this, and so what you will do is you can see it go down, but we are going to shake it.
Mom,
And you can see that it's spinning.
Mom.
Turn the bottles over so the water is on top. And we're going to watch how the water moves slowly down. Show you again. How it moves slowly down. Now I'm going to quickly swirl the bottles in a circle a few times. Watch as a tornado appears. And it's going in a circle.
Ta-da!
So how does this work? Real tornadoes happen when hot air pushes up and wind whips around the center point, pulling cold air down.
Mom, can I try? Mom, can I put water in here? And then
And you can see that it's turning. It's going in circles. Tornado in a bottle works in a similar way. When the bottle is turned over, the air pushes up, swirling the bottles around to make the water spin around the center hole like wind. The movement pushes the water down. So you can see that it's pushing the water down. So this is how you make a tornado in a bottle.
and then make it strong.
So cool. Hope you enjoyed this science experiment. We love you so much. Bye.